In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best Amtrak discount codes online. Traveling by train can be a wonderful experience, offering beautiful views, the comfort of space to move around, and a relaxed atmosphere. But of course, we're all looking to make these journeys as affordable as possible. Let's dive into some tips and tricks to help you snag the best deals for your next Amtrak trip. First off, let's head on over to Amtrak's official website at amtrak.com/deals. This should be your starting point, as Amtrak frequently updates this page with their latest promotions and saver fares. It's a goldmine of information and potential savings, so I recommend bookmarking it for easy access in the future. Regularly checking this page ensures you're aware of all current offers, and you might just find a fare that aligns perfectly with your travel plans. Promotions here can range from discounts on certain routes to special seasonal offers, so keep a keen eye out for what suits your travel needs. While on the Amtrak website, make sure to sign up for their email newsletters. This is a fantastic way to stay informed about exclusive offers and flash sales that may not be advertised elsewhere. Newsletters may seem old school, but they serve as a direct connection to potential savings without the hassle of constantly searching online. Next, if you're a frequent traveler or planning a long or multi-destination trip, consider joining Amtrak Guest Rewards. This program is free to sign up for and can offer significant benefits. As a member, you'll earn points for every journey, which you can then use toward future travel, upgrades, or even transferring to partner programs. These rewards can stack up quickly, turning into a traveling bonus that feels like a small personal victory each time you redeem them. Social media is another excellent tool for finding discounts. Follow Amtrak on their social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They occasionally post time-sensitive deals and discounts that you might not find anywhere else. Social media can be especially useful for last-minute travel plans when you're in need of a quick bargain. Additionally, there are various third-party websites and apps dedicated to compiling discount codes and deals. Websites like RetailMeNot and Honey can point you toward available coupon codes. These platforms often gather user-submitted discounts. So while success can vary, it's always worth a quick check to see if any align with your travel plans. Lastly, always be open to travel during off-peak times. Discounts can be significantly better if you're flexible with your schedule. Early morning, late night, or weekdays often offer lower fares than peak travel times. Flexibility is key in maximizing your discount opportunities. And there you have it, some simple yet effective ways to get the best Amtrak discount codes and make the most out of your train travel experience. I hope these tips prove useful and help you save on your future journeys. As always, happy travels and enjoy the ride.